Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how can we resolve this error. Fatal, not a Git repository or any one of the parent directories. Okay, what we can do, guys? For that, guys, just navigate to the GitHub page. Click on the icon. Now navigate to the settings. Click on the settings. Once you click on the settings, navigate to developer settings. Click on personal access tokens. Click on tokens. Click on generate new token. Generate new token. Generate new token classic. Here you can give the token name. Token name can be anything. Click on no expiry. Click on all the things repo, workflow, write packages, etc. Click on generate token. So once you click on generate token, you'll get the token. You can copy the token and you can configure the SSO also. So you can configure the SSO for the created and give an authorize for the project which you want to take a repo. Click on authorize. You would have copied the token. You can go back to the terminal again. So git clone. You can clone the repository which you want. Now click on enter. Now it will ask the username. You can give the username which you have added. In the password section, you give the token and click on enter. So now it should be able to clone the repository. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.